Now the crazy thing with this customer is he had a brake light on and a VSA light coming on. And it's very weird because there's nothing electronically wrong with this vehicle. But you'd be amazed at what I found. Now, when I was test driving it, I noticed that the red brake light would keep on flickering on and off. I thought, hey, maybe it might be just the parking brake. It wasn't down all the way, but that wasn't the case either. So the only thing that I can think of that would make that red brake light come on, and that is low brake fluid. So of course I go to the master cylinder, pull the cap off, look down inside, and it's almost bone dry. And the daggone brake switch right there that sits right there in the master cylinder, that's being triggered because of low brake fluid. When this switch right here starts to notice that there's no brake fluid in it, that triggers the red brake light. Now, why doesn't he have any fluid in the master cylinder and he still has a brake pedal? It doesn't fall to the floor. Master cylinder is not leaking off the back like the master cylinder is leaking. So, let's see. I think we might need to go and check the brake pads. Of course, got to take the caliper off. Now I can actually see it, but I want to give you guys a better look of these brake pads. Check that out. Almost gone. Yep, I think he got his life out of these brake pads. Now we're gonna go check the rear. Same thing. Gone. Now I want to show you guys what a new pad looks like versus a worn out pad. Let's start with the front pads. There's no pad left on that. See it? Let's look at the new pad. See? Brand new out the box. See all that thickness? See how much he wore out? Yeah, I would say he needs brake pads. Let's look at the rear. Gone. There we go. There's the pad. Needs brake pads. Now that we installed front and back brakes, I want to show you what the level looks like now. And I swear, I did not fill this master cylinder up. Didn't do no camera magic, none of that stuff. Check this out. That level is perfect. I think this job is done. I don't think you guys understand the struggle. Find the wheel lock, they say. Find the wheel lock, they say, huh? You guys don't know how disgusting that is, searching through people's junk in a trunk. Junk in a trunk. Is that where they got that from? Junk in the trunk. You want to see some stressful stuff? Taking apart a brand new $40,000, $50,000 SUV. And try not to break nothing. I hate that sound. Oh, there we go. That's one piece. Oh my gosh. Alrighty then. One more. Bakra cables are a pain in the ass. But, gotta do it. What the hell is that? Whew. Oh yeah. Yeah, and the heck got no belt on it.
Down there somewhere.
Yep. Whew, boy.